Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today I'm going to read Peppa Pig, Peppa Goes Swimming. So let's get started. It's a beautiful warm summer day. Peppa and her family are at the swimming pool. Peppa, George, let Daddy put on your swimming armbands, says Mommy Pig. Today is George's first time at the pool and he's a bit scared of getting in the water. Why don't you just put on one foot in, suggests Daddy Pig. Maybe George should try both feet at the same time, says Mommy Pig. Splash! Mommy Pig convinces George to jump into the water and he loves it. Grunt, hee hee, snort, shouts George happily. Ho ho, well done, George, snorts Daddy Pig. Rebecca Rabbit, her brother Richard, and their mother arrive at the pool too. Hello everyone, cries Rebecca. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Richard, hold on to this float so you can practice kicking your legs, says Mrs. Rabbit. George, would you like to try kicking your legs too? Asks Mommy Pig. Hey, hey, snort, giggles George. Ho ho, very good, laughs Daddy Pig. But please try not to splash. Big children don't splash, adds Peppa. Big children are very good at swimming, declares Peppa. When George and Richard are older, they will be able to swim like us, won't they, Rebecca? Yes, says Rebecca as she watches the boys kick and splash. Peppa and Rebecca race each other up and down the pool with their swimming armbands on. They are having lots of fun swimming and splashing in the water. Oops! Richard has dropped his toy watering can into the pool. Mommy! Wah! Cries Richard. Sorry, Richard, I can't reach it. It's too far down, says Mrs. Rabbit. Luckily, Daddy Pig is an excellent swimmer. He takes off his glasses and dives down to get it. Ho ho! There you go, snorts Daddy Pig. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Well done, Daddy, says Mommy Pig. Yes, thank you, Daddy Pig, says Mrs. Rabbit. Oh dear, Richard is so happy to have his watering can back that he splashes Daddy Pig with water. Hey, 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 George laughs. What a silly little piggy and rabbit. Everyone has had a fun day swimming at the pool. The end. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye, kids.